My name is Mary Pent, and I interviewed a math coach. She said that she does a lot of article, magazine, journal, research, reading, and legislative updates, RTI, learning progressions, things along those lines that are very technical. She does this in the field, and she does this weekly to keep updated with new things that are going on. As far as the legislative updates, she does a lot of that to find out what's going on with mathematics, updates in the state legislature as far as what we're going to be using for the coming years. When she comes to words that she does not know how to pronounce or does not know, she said she Googles it. And she also uses a person that she trusts in the field, a coworker, for backup to check that she's pronounced it correctly or that she understands what the new terminology means. When she's reading, she pays attention to charts, numbers, statistics, but she's very careful with statistics and graphs and things because they can be misleading, and she notes the credibility of the author or the knowledge base where it was published and what credibility she places with that. When she doesn't understand something, she rereads, and she rereads again until she understands it. She takes notes, she goes back, and she pulls things apart. She said she deals a lot with data, analyzing data, and creating spreadsheets for teachers and schools. When she takes in new information, she does it best kinesthetically. She does it, she touches it, she feels it, and then she said she writes it, and that helps her to better comprehend and understand the data. With the reading strategies she uses in her job are, first she skims or scans an article to understand that if it's something that's applicable to her, that she needs to read it, and then if it is, she deep reads it. And then she rereads it 2 or 3 more times before when she takes notes on it to make sure that she understands it and has the important parts of it. When she uses writing, she often uses a bullet approach, and she documents things that way. And she also does draft and rereading, and then rewriting things. In the materials that she uses are iPads, computers, pencils, the internet, pencils with erasers, she said, calculators, and computers. I thought it was interesting in the Shahan article that the people who were writing it were interested, and the mathematicians were concerned of the extraneous materials in text math books for children and students that had formal structure, such as theorems, proofs, and definitions, and then they had informal structures, such as introductory material that included examples, and they said that they were afraid that students would not be able to discern between the two.